How to download or install the VMware on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. VMware Workstation is a desktop virtualization product that allows users to create, run, and manage the virtual machines on the local computer. It is quite popular among developers, testers, and IT professionals for creating isolated environments for testing software and applications. In order to install it, go to any browser and search for VMware Player. Tap on the first link for the VMware Workstation Player and tap on the option of download for free. This will now start the downloading process and download a .exe file. This might ask you to reboot your computer. So you have to now follow the on-screen instructions for the installation and then reboot the computer once. And once you do it, you will now successfully install the workstation of the VMware on your device. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.